Episode 4, The Adventures of Starsky and Hutch. This is going to be a good one today. Starsky on the right and Hutch is on the left, and they are getting their first look at the cat door that I installed just yesterday. And they keep looking outside, but they have yet to actually go outside. So if you saw episode 3, Hutch stepped out of the front door just for a few minutes, but neither one of them has actually tested out the cat door. So it'll be interesting to see which one goes first and if they're able to find their way back in. But these guys are they're really active in the evenings, and they are a ton of fun to watch. The episode I've got for you today is probably my best one yet. So that is Starsky sitting in front of the cat door. And I'm learning that Hutch is kind of becoming territorial of his little dog bed on the right side of the screen right there. They're extra playful tonight. It's really cute. I do have a new Ring camera on order that will record in 2K and actually record in color at nighttime. Now this is Hutch. Now he wants to look outside. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what I can do to encourage them to go out, but I'm just happy they're not running away, to be honest with you. I do leave one of the front doors open during the day to kind of encourage them to get out and explore, but they tend to kind of sleep up in the attic during the day. And then in the evenings, they come out and play and eat and drink and kind of hang out in the dog beds that I bought for them. This is Starsky. My plan is to, I've got a heated enclosure on order that should be here next week. And then I'm thinking that's probably where they'll sleep in the evenings. And I plan to put those dog beds up in the attic once they, if they ever leave the attic. They're up there most of the day. So Starsky is 1-year-old male. And Hutch is a 4-month-old male. He hears Hutch coming. I had to put less kitty litter in the box because they kind of bat it around and it gets all over the place. I'm really happy that they get along because I wasn't sure if two males were going to be able to get along in such a small space, but they have a ton of room to explore if they will ever just go through that cat door. So this is Starsky sitting in front of Hutch's bed, and you'll see here in a second that he's not having it. He's like, this is my bed. I'm thinking that eventually they're going to play near the cat door and accidentally bump into it and realize that that it actually opens. So that's Hutch, and that is right here. He's like, this is my bed. I've been toying with different places to put the Ring camera. But for now, I think this is a pretty good spot. Maybe when the new camera arrives, I will hang it up on the wall or something. But I kind of like having it down on the floor where we're kind of level with them, and I don't know if the bird's eye view will be as appealing. That's Starsky laying on his back. I'm assuming these guys still have their claws. Yeah, I'm sure they do. I'm sure they wouldn't have declawed them. At the Humane Society, they gave them their rabies shots, and I think they spayed or neutered them as well. And the lady said they were both healthy, which she actually said is fairly uncommon. Usually they have worms or fleas or something, and apparently both of these guys got the clean bill of health. So That is Hutch in front of the cat door. I'm kind of thinking that Hutch might be the first one to go outside, since he was the first one, or the only one that I've seen to step out of the front door. They've been going through, that's Hutch right there. They've been going through pretty much all the food that I give them in the evenings, and about 2/3 of the water. So it's good to see that they seem to be healthy and happy. This is Starsky right here. Starsky tends to be more hungry than Hutch. I give them each, that's Hutch in the bed. I give them each like 8 or 9 treats each morning, and I'm hoping that they're sharing them. Look at Hutch's face. This is, what is that? It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, it looks like. And then I usually come and refill their food and water. Hutch is so cute. I refill their food and water around like 9 o'clock in the morning. And by the time I come out, they're already up in the attic hiding from me. They seem to be happy with each other, but they have no interest in hanging out with me just yet. See, that is definitely Hutch's bed. He has marked his territory for sure. And now it is, what does that say, 6:38 in the morning. And this is about the end of the video. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.